Today's topic is traction failures. TLTE without MSTL lamp. Abnormal sign. While moving MPT to shunt or half power or full power, traction ammeter will not deviate and rake will not respond. Without MSTL lamp glowing. Troubleshooting procedure. Ensure 15 amps MCB MPT in good condition. If it is tripped, reset it. If again tripped, keep Hoba in fault in all motor coaches and try. If still MCB is tripping, remove B jumper cable. If able to reset in lead MC, then defect in trailing motor coaches. If unable to reset MCB in lead MC, then defect it with the lead motor coach only. Then act accordingly. Operate BL key few times and check control switch is in on condition and operate it few times. Open control switch and operate motor oil reset switch few times. And then again close control switch and try to take traction. Open EP supply switch, operate BIV 2 to 3 times and finally keep it in fully on position and try. Check DMH. If acted, reset DMH in off position properly and again try to take traction. If still unsuccessful, clean DMH bar MPT interlocks 1, 2, 3 and 4 from top in master controller. Clean BIV interlock. If still unsuccessful, clear the block section by pushing the train from rear motor coach as per G&SR and inform TLC. This is TLTE without MSTL lamp. TLTE with MSTL lamp glowing. When MPT kept on shunt or half power or full power, traction ammeter will not deviate and rake is not responding with MSTL lamp. Troubleshooting procedure for TLTE with MSTL lamp. Ensure MR pressure is above 6 kg per centimeter square. Ensure BP is 5 kg per centimeter square. If it is less, check BIV is properly turned on. Check parking brake switch is at on position. Parking brake pressure in parking brake gauge is 4 kg per centimeter square. Parking brake lamp extinguished and at wheels 1, 4, 5 and 8 parking brakes are released in all motor coaches. If still unsuccessful, keep parking brake governor bypass switches in fault position and try. Operate a reverser handle in forward and reverse direction for few times and then set in a required direction. Clean MPT interlocks 11 forward interlock, 12 reverse interlocks. Clean MPT 8 and 9 interlocks and dry. This is the procedure for attending TLTE with MSTL lamp glowing. Thank you. Thank you all.